Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you a full house tour, at least of my main level. That's really the only level that I decorated. And then after the whole house tour I'm going to show you an advent calendar that I made. So go ahead and make yourself a hot drink and cozy up with a warm blanket and enjoy this house tour. I hope you enjoyed the tour of my house, and now moving on to the advent calendar that I made. I needed a big board, so I just reused this wall sign that I had. I don't use it anymore, and I had some extra William Morris peel and stick wallpaper, so I just wrapped this whole thing in that to use as my background, and I just painted a giant Christmas tree over top of it. Once that was done, I added some red ribbon like I have on my real tree and some candles, just sort of as some decor that will poke through. For the actual days, I ordered these little organic cotton pouches off Amazon, and we just painted a bunch of things on them that remind us of Christmas, and of course going along with the theme of Great Britain. I bought these gift tags, a set, and what I decided to do was to write the name of a Christmas movie or show that I enjoy watching or that my kids enjoy watching, so that every day when we open up a pouch, if it's a school day, of course, I'm going to write a short movie on there, just so we can have a little bit of Christmas spirit every day and watch something together. Once my bags were dry, I put 3 Hershey's Kisses in each bag, one for each of my boys, and of course those movie gift tags. I laid out all the bags on top of the board and just positioned them where I wanted, and I added a bunch of nails in the spots that I wanted them, and I hung the whole thing on the wall and just began to hang the bags. I enjoyed making this with my kids so much, and it's something that I can hand down to them. Yes, they can change the bag if they want to, because I am not a good painter, but the bags they can keep forever. We've all painted them together, and I am just so proud of this, and it makes me happy every time I look at it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I encourage you to go and start your own Christmas traditions with your family. I promise you will remember them for the rest of your life. Thank you so much again, and I'll see you next time.